The next time you're at Dollar Tree, grab some of these shepherd hooks. I'm going to show you why in today's video. Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Shannon from thedailydIYer.com. And if you love budget-friendly DIYs and home decor, you're definitely going to want to make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can come back here as I post brand new videos every single week. So why are these $1.25 shepherd hooks so awesome? Well, it's because you can do so many amazing things with them. Let me show you the first idea. So while you're at Dollar Tree, go ahead and pick up, of course, a shepherd's hook, but also one of those flag holders that goes in the ground as well. We're going to pair these together and make an awesome duo. So take your shepherd's hook, place that into the ground first, and then we're going to take that flag holder and we're going to butt it right up against the shepherd's hook. Just make sure you push these down into the ground as far as you can. Your foot definitely helps get them snug in there. And as you can see, we have the poles butting up next to each other. You'll also need some cable ties, and luckily Dollar Tree has those as well. Just make sure you pick up the black ones and not the white ones, as this is going to help blend into the metal of these posts for us. So I took 2 of those and just put them around both of the posts, pulled them tight together to turn them into one piece. And then, of course, make sure to trim off those extra long tails. Then you're of course going to add your garden flag onto there. Dollar Tree does carry these, but mine is from Amazon. It's one I already had. So if you're interested in that, I will link that down below for you. And the other side, of course, you can hang a planter from, but I really love the look of lanterns, and Dollar Tree has an amazing selection now. So I picked up this one. It's a smaller sized one. It's only $3 and it's the absolute perfect size to hang off of this smaller sized shepherd's hook. So I just really think that this kind of elevates the look, gives you a little bit more dynamic of a style, something a little bit more custom. And like I said, you could put a smaller hang basket here if that's what you wanted to do. Just make it your own, and it kind of just dresses up a flower bed or a walkway or even a little place next to your front door. And as a bonus, I have a flag hack that is going to wow you at the end of this video, so make sure you hang on to the very end so you don't miss that. For this next idea, you're going to need 3 shepherd hooks for this outdoor DIY. So this is kind of similar to our first hack in that we are going to take all of these hooks and kind of pair them and join them in the middle to make one piece. So instead of doing 2, we're doing 3 here. You want to offset the hooks so they kind of make a nice circle around the outside. And same as the last one, go ahead and get out your black zip ties, add a couple to the middle where those posts are, pull them tight, cut off the tails, and we've created a nice little round hook system that we can add lanterns to, or planters to, or wind chimes to, anything that kind of piques your interest. I kind of have a combination of the 2 of those ideas though. So back at Dollar Tree, I absolutely love these metal lanterns. They're great because these are outdoor friendly too. So what we're going to do is I picked up 3 of the smaller sized ones. You could put waterproof candles in here, which I love because you can get those on Amazon cheap, and you can set them on timers so they come on and off for you. So I'll link some of those down below that I use in my lanterns at home down in the description box. But of course these make great planters too. So you just need to make sure you get small enough little plants that are going to fit into the openings of the lanterns. And then we're kind of doing double duty here. We have a planter, we have a lantern, and it is all super cute. I think we all know that I am absolutely obsessed with Dollar Tree planters, and I just did a video with 45 hacks using them in last week's video, so I will link that at the end. A great video to watch next. But I absolutely love these $5 black planters from Dollar Tree because they look super high-end without the high-end price tag. I shared this DIY with you a couple weeks ago, but I'm going to share it again because we're going to take it up a notch and make it even more fancy. But let me go back in case you missed it. So I put a couple bricks in the bottom of this planter. It's going to add weight, and it's also going to add some stability because I also picked up a pool noodle from Dollar Tree, and we're going to wedge a small piece of that noodle right in the middle of those bricks. Take the rest of the pool noodle, wrap it around the outside of the bricks, but still inside the planter, cut it down to size, and tuck it all in there in a circle. Now the leftover little bit of pool noodle, we're going to cut that in half and put those vertically in the middle between those bricks up against the middle pool noodle to kind of secure everything, snug it all in there really nice. Now this is totally optional, and you can do live ferns if you want, or live plants, whatever is your preference, but I do not have a green thumb whatsoever. I definitely try, but ferns I just cannot keep alive. They need a lot of water, or sometimes they need a lot of water. Anyway, I definitely don't water them enough, so mine usually die. So I found these through another creator that loved them. They look so good on her porch. They are faux, obviously. I'll link them down below for you, and I have to say it's probably the best purchase that I've made this whole spring so far, because they make my porch look amazing without any work whatsoever. So what I'm going to do here is I cut down that middle pool noodle. It was a little bit too high, and we're going to use that as a base for these faux ferns. Just kind of push it down into the center there, and then yes, we have a really nice plant that is going to last forever now without any kind of effort. So pretty, right? I'm telling you, I will link those ferns down below, because if you're anything like me, you could probably use some faux ferns. But now remember, I told you we're going to take this up a notch, and we're going to do that with the help of a Dollar Tree shepherd's hook. So I pushed that down into the pool noodle to stand up right in the middle of the planter. And then again, this is one of those $3 lanterns from Dollar Tree, so less than $5 to upgrade the look of these ferns that are next to my front door, and they look so cute now. Lots of style, a little bit of effort, and you know what, not a lot of investment. These hooks are so perfect for adding lighting to a pathway, to a garden bed, to the line of your fencing like I'm showing you here, as they will hold up your string lights for you, kind of get them off the ground and give them a little bit of height. And it is so easy to do. Of course, you're going to space out your hooks in your yard or in your planters about 2 or 3 feet apart. Of course, we need to take a little puppy break. She's having fun with a planter. That is her favorite thing to play with and chew on. So thumbs up for my little helper here, honey. And now back to our project. We're gonna add these lights to the hooks. I've literally had these lights for about 4 years now. I got them off of Amazon, and they are still holding up really, really well. They have little loops on the top of them, so they slide right down onto the hooks for you. And they look so good. So I will link these Amazon outdoor lights for you. And I think they come in black too. So if you want to kind of keep it all aesthetic, you could even get black ones with the black cords that look cute with your black hooks. Totally up to you though. But I wanted to show you at nighttime and during the daytime so you could see what these look like. So of course you're going to get much more use out of the light during the nighttime, and they don't look so bad during the daytime either. I would draw your attention to this back corner of our yard. We just started this project, and I'm going to be doing a video on this coming up, so make sure to subscribe so you can come back and see what's going on. And yes, I have a little helper for that project too. You are definitely getting a great bargain by shopping at Dollar Tree for these. Of course, they're only $1.25 there, but I was recently at Walmart and I found theirs that were very similar in size, but not in price. They were almost $7 each. It's another great reason why you definitely don't want to sleep on these the next time you're at Dollar Tree. And this idea will have you running for them just for the convenience factor of it. If you stick these down in your yard and add a little bucket with a hanger on the top, it will slide right over the hook and keep things handy for you, like your bug sprays and your sunscreen. I love this idea because it keeps it handy, keeps it within sight, so you can easily grab it and use it and reapply as needed. And it might even encourage you to do it more often when it's out in the open. Great to put next to a barbecue grill, a seating area, and especially next to a bonfire. And you can also, of course, get a bigger bucket that'll hold more. I just picked one up from the Dollar Tree, and this is the size that they had, so kind of small. So keep that in mind while you're at Dollar Tree too. I have always wanted one of these. I thought they were so cute. They're little solar powered watering cans with the fairy lights that come out, and it looks like you're watering plants at nighttime. It's so, so cute. And I don't know why I never bought one before, but one popped up on Amazon and I was influenced to buy it, and they're super cheap. So I don't know why it took me so long. So we're going to put this together today. Now it does come with a shepherd's hook in it. However, I would suggest toss that to the side, use a Dollar Tree one instead. just because they're better quality at Dollar Tree. Honestly, the ones that this one came with, you have to twist them all together. They corrode. They kind of are wiggly and they're not great quality. So in this case, Dollar Tree wins with the shepherd's hook and it's the same height, so might as well. And for $1.25, it's gonna protect this cute little watering can that we really wanna show off. And I just wanna show you kind of putting this together. It had a little cover over the solar thing. You just peel that off, put the handle on, untwine all the fairy lights, and then take your shepherd's hook and put it into a bush or some flowers or your flower bed. And then you just hang your watering can on there with the little hook at the top and arrange your fairy lights into whatever you're having your water pour into. And now this, I have to tell you, totally shocked me. I think I did a little like excited yell at night whenever this turned on, and you'll see here in just a second the magic that happens. I know, right? I had no idea this was gonna twinkle. I thought it was just going to be constantly on. So this literally looks like water twinkling and trickling out of the water can. It just made me so happy. It's so cute during the day, and of course, especially at night. I love it so much, and if you love it too, I will make sure to link it down below for you because you can get them on Amazon, super cheap. Now up, we're going to do a little bird feeder, bee feeder, butterfly feeder using an orange. I just cut it in half and kind of took a meat thermometer. You just need something you can push a hole up through the middle of the orange slice with, because we're gonna put it onto a shepherd's hook. Like I said, a cute way to kind of feed the birds, feed the bees, feed the butterflies. They love all of this good stuff. I sat for a while trying to get a birdie to come land so I could show you. We have trees that they live in and they will find this eventually, but just to give you an idea of what it looks like. And I know that our big plump bumblebees that we have in my she shed little garden are going to love this hack too. So we also use these exact Dollar Tree shepherd's hooks from Dollar Tree at our wedding, which was 5 years ago next month, which is crazy to think, June of 2025. So this is a fun walk down memory lane, but we used those shepherd's hooks to, of course, hold a little vase of flowers. And then I had made wood signs with the scripture of love is kind, love is patient, love is kind, that kind of paved the way down to our outdoor ceremony site. So I hope that idea inspires you for your next outdoor event. And then here is that bonus hack in DIY that I promised at the beginning of the video, using a flag holder from Dollar Tree. I love this. We use this all the time. You put it into the ground and it's a perfect size little hook to then add your paper towel rolls onto, and the hook at the end keeps it on there so it doesn't come back off. Is that not great? Try that at your next barbecue. I hope that these ideas inspired you. If you could, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and I will have 2 more Dollar Tree DIY videos popping up on your screen. Pick which one is your favorite, head on over, and I will see you there. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a creative day.